Most people think rich investors are just buying Tesla and hoping it goes up, but that's not how real wealth invests. The wealthy treat the stock market like a long-term machine, not a lottery ticket. They don't chase hype, they build system. First, rich investors don't just buy stocks, they buy business. When they invest in company, they are thinking like owners. They read earning reports, look at cash flow, profit margins, debt ratio, not just price chart. If the average person spent half as much time studying fundamentals as they do scrolling social media, they have been had. They also use something called symmetric risk. That means they look for opportunities where the upside is massive but the downside is limited. It's not just about being right, it's about how much you make when you're right versus how little you lose when you're wrong. That's a major mindset shift. Now here's the part nobody tells you. The wealthy don't rely on capital gains alone. They focus on cash flow, dividends, covered calls, real return that come in monthly or quarterly. The stock price going up is not just a bonus. They want income streams, not just hope. They also use tax strategy in a big way. They invest through entities, retirement account, and trust. Why? Because it's not just what you earn, it's what you keep. The rich think in after tax dollar. That's why two people can earn the same from stocks, but one ends up way richer. It's all about how the game is played. Another big move. They borrow against their portfolios. It's called asset backed lending. Instead of selling stocks, triggering taxes, they take loans against them, using that money to invest more or fund business. That's how they stay liquid without chasing out. And finally, they diversify. Not by owning 50 random stocks, but across asset classes, stock, real estate, private equity, and even businesses. The market is one tool, not the entire toolbox. So if you want to invest like the wealthy, stop chasing trends and start thinking like an owner, because the rich don't trade stock. They use stocks to build wealth, create leverage, and protect their time.